What's up, foodies? I'm back. And today we are looking for the best burger in the city. The best burger. We're looking for the best burger, goddammit. First on the list, the one and only Grand Crossing, located at 1010 Pipestone in Benton Harbor, Michigan. Yo! I ordered the double cheeseburger, add bacon with everything on it but olives, an order of fries, and the goddamn hot wings. Check out the hot wings. Ooh, shit! Hell yeah. And you know we gotta open up the yo. Ooh, shit. Look at this. Boom. Ooh, get all that shit on there. Ah, be damn. Pickles, mustard, mayo, cheese, bacon. You name it. You name it. Holy smokes. Did I open that motherfucker upside down? Hell yeah. Shit, it's a mondo. Thumbnail. Let's see. Woo, shit. Shout out to Cherie. Let's see. Holy shit. God damn it. That's what you call a burger. And I can taste every motherfucking ingredient. That bacon, tomato, pickle, lettuce. Hell yeah, Grand Crossing. On that double cheeseburger, I gotta rate that one a 9, baby. I gotta rate that one a 9, baby. Fries nice and crispy. Everything fresh. See what these hot wings hitting on. Yo. Wings busting too. Oh, shit. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Everything busting. Wings 8.5. Nice size, juicy, good flavor. Hell yeah. Great flavor on everything. Goddamn it, Grand Crossing. You got one. You got one, man. You got you one, man. Hell yeah. We can put Grand Crossing at least in the top 2. At least in the top 2 of burgers in the city. Oh yeah, I spent $28.08 on my meal. I think that's pretty damn good for a double cheeseburger with everything on that motherfucker. Some wings and fries too. Goddamn it, $28.08. And this inflation, and this inflation, that's damn good. Make sure y'all check out the one and only Grand Crossing, located at 1010 Pipestone in Benton Harbor, Michigan. Follow me on IG at _TheBlackJesus and TheBlackJesus on Facebook.